Hi guys, it's Michelle and I'm just here very quickly to do a bit of a wig review with you, and it is to show you this beautiful wig that I'm wearing just now. Now this wig is called Tea Leaf Layer and it is by Belle Tress. It is beautiful. So this is a hand tied wig. It's actually called Tea Leaf Layer Hands Tied. This is a wig that I've actually owned for, I don't know, like a good few months anyway, maybe even closer on to a year. And I wore it a good few times when I got her at first, and then I kind of forgot about her and was like wearing different wigs. Anyway, forgot about her, rediscovered her, was like, I love her, forgot about her again. This is about the fourth time I've rediscovered my wig. So that probably sounds absolutely crazy, but honestly she's beautiful. Anyway, let's talk a wee bit about this wig, cover some lengths, some cap construction, let you have a wee look at full 360, you know how it goes. Okie dokie. So first of all, before I start, I'm just going to check the lengths and we will quickly talk about those and then we'll just crack on. So the front bangs, you will see at the very front there is this kind of shorter layer here that is 6 inches long. Here at the very front, it's very small amount of hair that is only the 6-inch length. Now from the sides we have 12 inches of length at the sides here. From the nape we have 14 inches from the nape to ends. The back overall from top to end gives you about 21 inches. So your overall length is from 12 inches to 21 inches. It is layered, it's beautiful, it is a lightweight wig, but it's just absolutely gorgeous. Now, as with all of the Belle Tress Cafe collection, this is made of heat-friendly synthetic fibre. It is a polyester based fibre. It feels ridiculously soft, beautiful, and just so natural. So the denier on heat-friendly fibre from Belle Tress, this is probably on a par with the denier of European human hair, just to kind of throw that out there and let you know that's how kind of thick it is. So it's really beautiful. Now the shade that I'm wearing is Butterbeer Blonde. I'm going to insert the code for Butterbeer Blonde just here for you. She's really beautiful. So as you can see, it is rooted. We have a variety of tones here. We have some cool, some warm, some neutral, and it just makes for such a beautiful shade, and it does suit the majority of skin tones. So whether your undertones are very olive, quite ashen, pinky or yellow, because of the variation in colour, it does tend to suit most people because it's not all cool, it's not all warm, it does have a good mix of everything. It's really beautiful. The colours from Belle Tress are actually, I do really love them very much. If I come closer you can kind of see here, it's really gorgeous, very natural. Now this wig is Tea Leaf Layer, hand tied, as we said, so that kind of gives away a wee bit about cap construction. It is a hand tied wig. Now what we do have with this, I'm going to show you cap construction wise. We have a lace front. It is welded lace, and it's actually an ear to ear welded lace front. So if I pull that back, you will see it runs from ear tab right round to ear tab. You have a full lace front. So if you do want to tie this right back, you have an absolutely totally natural hairline for that full area here at the front, which is really lovely. I do like that a lot. Now what we have as well, we have a full single monofilament top to this wig, so you can part this in any direction and it will look like those hairs are growing out of your own head. So you can wear this left, centre, right, zigzag, whatever kind of parting you're looking for. It's really amazing. Now it is a kind of mid-long length of wig. Overall we've said, you know, it's kind of roughly from top to end. At the longest point it's about 21.5 inches, so there is some good length to it. I'm 5'9.5", so this is just where it lands on me. If you want to know where it'll land on you, obviously everybody's proportions are very different. If you measure from the top of your head with a measuring tape, get 21.5 inches, that's where it's going to sit on you. It's really beautiful. I'm going to turn around and let you guys have a wee look at it, and then we'll show you the inside of the cap. I don't want to talk too much because I talk a lot. So this is from the sides. If you want to see movement, it moves beautifully. voila, and she has an average size of cap. Now, a lot of people have said to me that they're very scared to go for a wig which is heat friendly, it is heat defiant, because they feel it just gets very matted at the ends, all frizzy, all tangled, it doesn't last very long, a few wears and it's done. However, what I wanted to say to you is, this wig is heat friendly, but it's also kind of heat dependent to an extent as well. So you can use direct heat on it, and you can do that to change the look of it. You can have it poker straight, you can have it more wavy, big bouncy type looking, blow dry, you can have it curly, you know, whatever you fancy. And it does feel very like human hair. It's got a wee bit less of a shine than some synthetic wigs do. Now, the lifespan on a heat friendly wig, depending on what the material is, this is made of a polyester Futura 2 type of fibre. Now, with that, it's actually a very high quality fibre. Now, it's very delicate, it's very gentle, so you would not treat silk material the same as you'd maybe treat polyester, in the way that you would treat cotton and the way you would treat wool. You know, you would treat them all very differently, and it's the same with hair. What I would recommend is that, first of all, you want to ensure you always follow manufacturer guidance when you are caring for your wigs. You only use the Wigs tooth comb, and I would personally recommend that you do use a daily maintenance spray, one that has been created for heat friendly fibres, that is for synthetic wigs. So using a heat protection spray is the next stage. A heat protection spray on the kind of ends here. You want to do that before you're applying direct heat to the fibre, and it gives a wee layer and a bit of protection. If you ever have damage and frizziness to your heat friendly wig, please just use a bit of heat on it and it will be like new again. I mean, there's no reason why these should not last as long as a standard synthetic. They feel so soft, so luxurious. As I've said, the denier is finer normally, and it is kind of on a par with European human hair for how thick it is. So that's your kind of texture wise of it. So this obviously comes like this. This is, I have not straightened this at this point. I've not straightened it, I've not curled it, I've not done anything with it. So this is the kind of hair pattern as she comes. But obviously, if you feel you would like that more straight or curly or wavy or more volume, you can absolutely do that. Just ensure that you're using the correct products for your hair. Make sure you wash it every 6 to 8 washes, and Bob's your uncle. That's you. So she's absolutely gorgeous. This is Tea Leaf Layer hand tied from Belle Tress. Julie, Sunny, you know, I have spoken to you guys back and forth via email. Those are the girls at Belle Tress, and you know, they do a really good job. Julie's the owner of Belle Tress. She's so lovely, and you know, this is just a really gorgeous style. I just love this. I think it's so beautiful and flatters most face shapes. We do have these face framing layers, which I'm a lover of this. This kind of style is just always going to be it for me. And we do have a really beautiful density. One other thing that I wanted to say, if you're somebody who wears spectacles, if you wear glasses or even just sunglasses, you know, one thing that you're going to love with this, I'm going to take off this cap right now and show you. You will see this sits so flush against my head, and it's very lovely, because if I take it off and show you the inside, what you will see, as we've already described, we have this welded lace front running from ear tab to ear tab and a single monofilament top. What you will see, there are metal stays in here on the ear tabs, but this is polyurethane, so it is so flush against your head, so your glasses don't interfere with the wig doesn't interfere with the glasses, so it's not like you have a lot of discomfort. It feels very lovely. I love PU ear tabs, and I love an extended lace front, and especially with welded lace, because your welded lace, as opposed to Swiss lace, welded lace is phenomenal. It's more durable, it's more hard wearing, and it just tends to last a lot longer. It's less gentle. And then to have this PU tab here, if you're somebody who likes to use wig tape, or you know, you want extra security, you can apply some adhesive here, some wig tape or some adhesive for wigs that you can apply, and it will just allow that to stick onto your skin there. Now you will see that we then have this fully hand tied cap, and this is the Belle Tress hand tied cap for you guys. Now we have some pull adjusters rather than the Velcro adjusters. These are pull adjusters, and I quite like that. I feel that pulls in the circumference quite nicely. Now you will see here where this lace front ends and then your ears are sitting here. Then you have your nape, which is just very, very standard nape. The nape is just kind of flower net mesh material. Yes, this is Tea Leaf Layer from Belle Tress. She's gorgeous, she's beautiful, she's lovely. This is Butterbeer Blonde. I'm Michelle, and thank you so much for tuning in. If you're interested in this wig, if you want to buy the wig, you can do so. You can buy this from MiMoWigs.com if you want. You can click up here, and I'm more than happy to help you. I will pop a discount code down below for you guys. If you click on the description bar, you can check there. So thanks very much for tuning in. I'm going to head off for now. Don't forget, keep sparkling, be on beautiful. I'll be back soon, and yeah, till then, take care of yourselves. Send lots of love. Mwah. Bye.